Hello friends. So let's know more about India. So this is the country I have discussed already. So surrounded by the some countries like Nepal, Bhutan, yeah, in the northern section, okay, northern part. But in the eastern part, you can see the country is actually the Bangladesh that is surrounding the West Bengal states of India, right? And here you can see the lower part that is the south. South part is surrounded by the country is or having border with Sri Lanka, right? And in the upside you can see the western region, actually Pakistan, right, the neighbor country. And another one is the Afghanistan, little bit only. Afghanistan boundary of India with Afghanistan is only a less amount, okay. So you can see in the northern part mostly the part is actually the China, okay. So the country China. So these are the countries that are surrounding the country of India, okay. So you can see two seas are there. So here it is the Arabian Sea. So Arabian Sea actually you can say like in case of with respect to India, it is located towards how do we can say like okay. So see this is western, okay, western region and south. So southwestern region, right. So southeastern region you can see Arabian Sea, and in the northeastern, sorry, it is not northeastern, it is southeastern, okay. So in southeastern it is Bay of Bengal, okay. This is the Bay of Bengal, you can see the Bengal, okay. So these are the parts. Another country I have missed, so this one is the actually Myanmar or Burma. So you can see the surrounding where actually meeting Indian border and Myanmar border. So that is actually this side Arunachal Pradesh, right. So that area, okay. So now we are going to talk about major cities. I think you people already know about the major cities. There is New Delhi, here it is Kolkata, okay, and here it is Chennai, okay. The that is located in the state of Tamil Nadu, okay. So Bengaluru is actually located in the state of Karnataka, right. So this is done, and here this is Mumbai, that is located in the state of Maharashtra. And you can see the location of the Mumbai, how it is actually so industrialized. And another thing is like so many export import is possible through the Arabian Sea, because it is very nearby to the Arabian Sea, right. So that's why. So this is Mumbai. So major cities I have already discussed. So now you can see another thing like wait. So Hyderabad, this is located in the state of Telangana, okay. Okay. So major differences in the Indian country, okay. So this is diverse, okay. The cultural differences, the geographical characteristics, okay, the historical aspects, many aspects, religious aspects, so many aspects. In so many aspects India is actually diverse in nature, okay. So you can see from this part, from southern region, you can see the Kerala, okay. Kerala, in Kerala the language is Malayalam, right. In case of Tamil Nadu, that is the periphery. So you can see this one is Tamil Nadu, okay. So Tamil Nadu, in case of Tamil Nadu, it is actually Tamil language, okay. Upside the Tamil Nadu, it is Andhra Pradesh, and in case of Andhra Pradesh, it is usually Telugu or little bit of Tamil, okay. Above the Tamil Andhra Pradesh, this is Telangana. Here it is Telugu, okay, language. Here in the left side or the western region, we have Karnataka, right. In case of Karnataka, it is Kannada, the language, okay. After that Maharashtra, Marathi language is there, okay. Gujarati language, okay. So Rajasthan mostly Hindi. After that New Delhi, that is Hindi. Okay, after that Jammu and Kashmir, that is in Kashmir, Kashmiri language. But in Punjab, Punjabi language, right? So likewise, so many languages are there. If we come towards this region, West Bengal, it is Bengali. Okay, Jharkhand, little and more of Hindi. Bihar, Hindi. Okay, mostly Hindi, and Bhojpuri languages are also there. So here you can see the Tripura. Okay, this is also Bengali language. Eastern part of, so eastern part of northeast. Okay, northeast part of India, that is Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, it is English, and some like Khasi languages are there. Okay, in Assam, Bengali, Assamese, likewise. In Manipur, Manipuri languages are there. Mizoram, Mizo language is there. Okay, and so likewise. Okay, so you can see the variety of languages are there. Now the hills are located like here. Major hills, Himachal Pradesh, Simla, you people know, right? Snow falling region. Okay, and at the time of winter season. Okay, so winter season we do experience snowfall in the Simla and Manali as well, in the states of Himachal Pradesh, right? Besides this is the Rajasthan, right? In case of Rajasthan, we have very dry geographical features, right? Okay, so rainfall is very less in Rajasthan, right? If we come again to the southern section, we have in the Kerala, rainy season is observed. That's why flood is seen, right? And here you can see the Vizag or Visakhapatnam, that is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh, right? In that case, what happens actually here from Bengal of Sea, Bay of Bengal, cyclone is observed. So many cyclones are formed, right? The high probability of forming cyclone in Bay of Bengal that can reach the land area, okay, through Vizag, Visakhapatnam in the state of Andhra Pradesh or Odisha, Puri region. Here you can see the Puri region. Here, this is Puri, okay. So through this region, or else here the Kolkata, Digha region. Here you can see, so Digha region. Okay, so okay, so here you can see Sikkim. This is also hill area. Okay, hill area is observed. Darjeeling, you know, Darjeeling is located in the state of West Bengal, and it is very hilly area. Okay, sorry, that Kanchenjunga region is nearby the Darjeeling. Okay, here you can see the Kanchenjunga, very border region. Okay, actually it is border with Nepal. Okay, so small part of Kanchenjunga is actually in the country of Nepal, and little bit part of it is located on the state of Sikkim. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, Kanchenjunga. And okay, besides this, here the tourist place is like Shillong. It is located in the state of Meghalaya, right? Shillong, this is also hill area and very famous for tourism. Okay, Cherrapunji is another location in the state of Meghalaya itself. Okay, another characteristic in the religious aspect, you can see like in overall it is mostly Hindu religion in the Indian state. Second position is Muslim or Islam, and third position somewhere Christianity or some else. Okay, but see, some states are there is highly concentrated religion like Christianity is observed in the state of here Mizoram. So this is almost more than 90%. Okay, Christian people are there. Okay, Aizawl is the major city. Okay, here it is around 94 to 5% Christianity is observed. Christian people are there. Okay. So likewise here in the region of Goa, Goa also here mostly Christian peoples are there. Okay, likewise you can see like here Jammu and Kashmir. In the Kashmir region mostly Muslim peoples are there. Okay, okay, remaining most of the regions dominated by Hindu people. Okay, or Hindu religion, Hinduism. Okay, so whatever the hilly region already I have said, those region actually having low temperature, right? Snowfall is observed, that's because of that low temperature. And very heated region like Rajasthan, okay, and Punjab as well. Okay, so these are very heated region. Here rain is very less. Okay, so this is fine, some aspects are discussed. Okay, thank you all.